How to enable NFC on Samsung devices. Now in order to enable NFC on your Samsung devices, you just simply need to open the app of settings at very first. Now NFC is a near field communication system which allows you to do the payments in nearby devices. Now all of the devices does not have this feature because of the hardware availability. If your device has this feature, you will find it under the settings of connections. Just simply select the connection setting and you will see the option of NFC or enable NFC just below the Bluetooth option in your connection if you have it. But in my phone I don't have the feature of NFC, so I cannot see it. If you see the option right here in your settings, you can just simply enable the toggle for that and your NFC will be enabled on your Samsung device. Or you can also use the search button in the main settings in order to find out the NFC settings if you have it. Otherwise you cannot enable it. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.